So we're here at the Dish at Stanford, one of the most iconic instruments ever built here for exploring space in Silicon Valley, which felt like the right place to talk about what we've just launched at Kadence, because we're also exploring space, just a different kind, office space. I know, a touch less romantic, but hear me out, because what's happening in office space right now is genuinely broken. For most companies, office is your second largest cost after people. And the decisions that shape it, which floors to keep, how many desks each team actually needs, who sits next to whom, those decisions are being made right now inside your organization by very smart senior people using spreadsheets. You know, they built this thing back in the 60s to search for faint, distant signals from deep space. We do the same, just pointed at your space. Today, we're launching SpaceOps. SpaceOps is the first platform that connects workplace planning and workplace execution in one place. From the first scenario to automated go live, no consultants, no 6-month implementation, no specialist required, and no spreadsheets. And here's what makes it different from anything you've seen before. It's built with Kadence AI at the very foundation. It's not just an off-the-shelf model. It's not a chatbot we bolted onto a dashboard. Our team has spent months building a purpose-built AI model trained for real workplace behavior, not trained on the open internet. Intelligence designed for one job, understanding how organizations actually use space. You don't click through menus, you talk to it. Consolidate 2 floors, keep engineering next to product. Show me what happens to headcount next year. It does the work and shows its reasoning. You hone it, and it then adapts. SpaceOps generates a stack plan in minutes. You adjust, re-optimize, and export a board-ready PDF, and walk into that leadership meeting with a recommendation built on evidence. A team restructures mid-plan, rerun the model in minutes, not months. And then move day arrives. SpaceOps cancels all the old bookings, freezes the affected spaces, activates the new configuration. The plan that you approved is the plan that goes live. The whole thing, scenario to execution, inside the same platform your people already use every single day. You know, everyone's racing to explore outer space right now. We went the other direction. We explored inner space, the space inside your buildings. No one's ever built this before. SpaceOps by Kadence. If you're a workplace leader making decisions for the future with the tools that belong in 2010, it's time. So yeah, space, the final frontier. Turns out it was never out there, it was on floor 3.